Hi, I'm Holly with Outdoor Furniture Plus, and we're in the Berlin Gardens showroom at the Atlanta America's Mart. And we sell Berlin Gardens replacement cushions. And often customers ask who makes the cushions. Well, they are made by Berlin Gardens, made to custom fit their pieces of furniture. And we will help you if you need help in determining which cushion you would like to buy or need to buy for the furniture that you have. Each cushion is going to come with some sort of tie or snap fastener. It could be a Velcro fastener, but it's going to come with something that will connect to your furniture so that it doesn't slip when you're getting in and out of it. Even the deep seating cushions that Berlin Gardens makes, they will have ties that affix around the base of your furniture so that it doesn't slip. So know that if you're purchasing replacement cushions for your Berlin Gardens furniture, they are made here in the U.S. by Berlin Gardens.